Coming up on today's vlog, my wife plays in a classical quartet while hundreds of synchronized drones fly behind her in the night sky, thousands of people come to watch, and then disaster strikes. So that's my wife, McCall. She studied violin at Juilliard, and she's in extremely high demand as a performing violinist. So anyways, this company called Fever, in combination with Candlelight Concerts, reaches out and is like, hey, do you want to play in a string quartet while a ton of drones are flying above you and it's also really cold and there's like tons of candles? What could go wrong?
My name is McCall Haslam. I'm a violinist. I started playing violin when I was 3. And I graduated from Juilliard when I was 21, and here I am now. Candlelight it's based around a string quartet that plays at different venues surrounded by candles. And usually it's a lot of different types of music, so each concert will focus around a different genre, like you'll have Beatles, or Adele, or Lord of the Rings, or Fleetwood Mac. Like, you'll do rock, or sometimes it's classical music, and it's about an hour-long program of quartet music. This Candlelight show that I did specifically was partnered with drone art, so it wasn't really just a candlelight show. It was more of a drone art show featuring a candlelight quartet.
Access. And
this concert was all classical music. Some of it was arranged for this specific show, and we had to play with a click track so that we could stay synced with the drone, because the whole show from start to finish is on a timer.
Homegirl summer.
This is what it sounds like to hear a click track in your inner monitors when you're playing live. When you're playing to a click track, you're not really keeping time. It's more like negotiating with a robot terrorist who insists you're wrong.
So there was no stopping the show, supposedly. Spoiler.
So anyways, first we headed to Guitar Center to get some in-ear monitors.
In-ear monitors, okay.
This is my mom.
Hi.
It looks like it's been ran over by a car.
That one? It's just relict. That purple one is so sick. Sorry, what's your name?
I'm Justin.
Justin with the cool hair.
Thank you. Right now, it looks like we mostly have the Shure stuff. I have the 535. I got them years ago because I do a lot of recording and live sounds.
Got it.
So you just have almost more of like a surround 3D sound, you know, because I'll mix in, you know, click and track and.
Yeah.
Arranged from like classical quartet stuff to like rock stuff.
Okay. So something that's versatile and sturdy.
What are you thinking, babe?
The 1015s maybe?
I think you should do the 425s.
Give you like 10% off.
Ooh. We'll blur his face out.
Let's do it then. Yeah.
There's a lot of Adam drivers in there.
Adam drivers.
He laughed. We got this dude just like absolutely shredding over in the piano corner. Unlocking it. He's unlocking the case.
Turning back now.
No turning back.
Well, you can't turn back if you can change your mind.
Thank you.
You know, it's like
That was nice. You scared me for a sec there. There's no turning back.
Rachel! This is gonna be the new David Lynch film, guys.
That's right.
Stuff.
Oh, we're into it. Twin Peaks, baby.
Whoa! You know, he did all the guitar on that.
Did he really?
Yeah, he was
like
really,
that baritone guitar?
Yeah, like all that the intro guitar stuff is all
He did that? Is that the most iconic baritone guitar line of all time?
Twin? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So I'm always like, it's like a little tremolo.
Yeah, it's so spooky sounding, you know? How many cables do I have already?
Like 12D.
I just need one more guy. I'm sneaking in a purchase. Justin, you rock.
Nice meeting you.
Thanks for being in the vlog. We'll tag you. Follow out Justin the Destroyer on Instagram. He's a nice man.
I don't know. Maybe just because it reminds me of a violin, like with the F holes, but it just looks like an instrument. Like it has
You saying my Saul Body Electrics aren't instruments?
No, they're toys.
See, you got like a totally different breed of people in the acoustic room. These are cultured people in here. It's never okay to purchase an amp with diamond-plated metal, okay? Because it's bro-y. And if you see someone playing an amp like this, it means they're about to bust out some butt rock.
Were you unfamiliar with my game?
I didn't know you were chill like that. Doesn't this guy look like George Lucas? And now, back to the drone show with McCall and I. Sound checks seem to go swimmingly, and if you have attention issues like me, you might want to get a sneak peek of the drones. Check this out. This is what they ended up looking like. Totally insane. Hundreds of drones in the sky making shapes, blowing our freaking minds before the disaster happened. I will be showing you a lot of the drone performance in this video, but I'll also be linking the entire drone performance from start to finish in a separate video in case you want to kind of get some old school Windows XP screensaver vibes in your living room. So I think those are all the drones right there. Crazy. All the drones are inside there, like synchronized. It's like a hive mind.
The first night went really well, despite the circumstances of it being really cold and really fast. But the last song, we had a tent tarp over us on this little stage, and the wind picked up and it blew the tent over. So it shifted on stage and it has these, big metal legs. And so we were in the middle of playing our last song, and I got hit in the back with like this big metal tent leg. So we kind of had to like sort of stop and like hold the thing down so it doesn't like go flying off.
Run.
The second night, in the very beginning of autumn, the generator blew or just turned off.
The drone performance continued without any musical volume for a little while, which was kind of awkward, but luckily they were able to restart the generator before it blew out again.
We just lost power. The drones kept going, but our lights and our mics and our click track and everything just like shut off. And I don't know, it was down for like 10 minutes maybe the first time.
Yeah.
And then we finally got it up, we picked back up, kept going. It did it again during like I don't know, maybe like after 30 minutes of it working. Maybe not quite that long. 20 minutes of it working again. But then they got it up within like 5 minutes that The generator went out twice. It ended up costing us like 30 minutes.
Despite the technical difficulties, when it was working, it was pretty fantastic. The music was dreamy, and it was sort of like watching a fireworks show, but in slow motion with the big rotating characters in the sky. Before the show, we got some sushi, which was tasty, but took way too long from a food truck. But we're gonna finish it out with some footage of the show, sped up because we're all TikTok goldfish with the attention span of a 3-year-old child. If you enjoyed this vlog, why don't you subscribe or share it? I'm just sitting alone on this bench,